Hello everybody and welcome to another cool YouTube video. In this video we are dealing with images in Matplotlib. So we are reading an image first and then displaying the image using Matplotlib in Python. So if you don't know about Matplotlib, let me explain you. So Matplotlib is an amazing data visualization library in Python built on NumPy array and designed to work with SciPy. So the image module in Matplotlib library is used for working with images in Python, and the image module in Matplotlib built on two useful methods, which are imRead, which is used to read the images, and imShow, which is used to display the image. So we are dealing with these two methods in this tutorial, and also we are seeing that how you can read an image using OpenCV and then displaying it using Matplotlib. We are dealing with these two to three types in this tutorial. Let's start. So first we have to read our image. So what I'm going to do is import matplotlib.pyplot as pt. That is the first thing we have to do, and now we have to use the matplotlib image module. So import matplotlib.image as img. So this image module in Matplotlib library is used for working with images in Python, and this module uses the pillow library in Python. So first we have to read an image. So this is your image data set and we are going to work with this. So first we have to read an image. So first we are reading an image array. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is img.imReady, and this function reads the image data, and in this string we have to pass the name of our file. So the name of my file is 1.jpg. so this is your file, and now we are going to store this inside the image variable. Okay, so now this image variable is the array of your image. So now we print this image, and now when running this program, so we are running this program, and now you can see we got the output, and this is the array, this is the NumPy array of your image data, which is the case data 1.jpg your file. So this program reads an image and then represent the image as an NumPy array, as you can see this. Now if we use this image.shape, you know that this calculates the shape, and what is this image is 512,3. so this is the shape, and this is in the form of height, width, and a mode. So the height is 512 pixels and the width of this image is 512 pixels, and 3 is the mode. And we are now showing this image. Yes, for showing this image, what I'm going to do is pt.imShow. Now this imShow used for showing the image, and here I'm using image like this, which is the reference of this variable, and now pt.show. Now let's run this. So now you can see when we run this, we got our output, and this will show this image. So this will show me this image, and if we use again print image.shape, now let's run. So now you can see we got our output, and that is the 512,512,3. so the height is the 512 pixels and the width is the 512 pixels, and this mode. So we can also change the mode, that if the mode is 1, that means the black image, and if the mode is 0, that means the white image. And except this, we have different values. So in this case the 3 is the value. So this is how you can read an image. So for reading we use this matplotlib.imageLab module in this, and the shape pattern in this image is the RGB pattern, that is the red, green, blue. And this is your first example in which if we define none of the parameter, so the original image is displayed. So this is your original image. When we know any modify our data, what about if we modify our data? So this image is a NumPy array, and how we can access this, so we can use like this way. So now here I am using that no changing with the height and width, and only just changing the mode value in this case. So pt.show. Now let's show. Now you can see the color of the image is changed, and this is just because of we have changed the mode value. So now you can see we got different image. And what about if we change the value to 0? Now you can see we got again this image, and you can change the values in this mode. And what about if we use 10 to 100? Now let's run this. Now you can see we got only this image. So this will read the height and width according to the NumPy abbreviations, that the 10 to the 100. So the array, this image contains the array of 512 by 512 and by 3 pixels, and we are being changing this array variable only just we are seeing the part which contains the 10 array to the 100 array. So in that case we are only seeing the 10 pixels height, and the width is the 100 pixels, and not defining any mode. So the by default this mode is this. Okay, so what about if we have to change the value? So we can use the CMap. The CMap is used for changing the color maps. So for seeing in a black and white image we can use this gray. So this is, now you can see the image is this. So that's how you can read an image. So that's how you can use reading an image and reading and displaying an image in Matplotlib. This is being too simple. And another way to do this is reading an image using CV and showing using the Matplotlib. I also want to explain this. So first we want to import our CV2 as CV. Now we are reading our image. So cv.I am reading, and again the name of your file, which is the 1.jpg, and here I am defining the value 1 because this will read the BGR image pattern, and again putting this into an image variable. And now import Matplotlib. So Matplotlib, I'm showing the way that without using the Matplotlib image module, how you can show an image in Matplotlib. So import matplotlib.python. So we are reading in this case we are reading our image using CV and displaying our image using Matplotlib. So now we have to show our image. So I am using pt.imshow, and now provide the reference of this. So pt.imshow like this, and pt.show. Okay, we got the error, invalid syntax. Okay, just because I have not used this line as a comment, so only use this. Now any problems? Now you can see when we just run this image, this is the image, and this is the BGR pattern, that means the blue, green, red pattern. So CV use BGR pattern, and this is your image. You can also use here some pt.axis off. So pt.axis and off, and pt dot grid also set to off. Now let's run. Now you can see the axes are removed and the grids are also removed, and this is your original image which you can read your. So we are reading our image using CV and displaying our image using Matplotlib. In the next video we are dealing with how you can use color maps in Matplotlib to displaying our image, different images. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Thank you for watching.